should all stand here with our guns pointing to his face, so when he comes back, he'll shit himself.
So put some mine right underneath it. Put some
Hopefully
mine.
he's not like a bad guy.
Oh,
and he
no.
likes me. He could be a bad guy and he could kill me.
Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
You back?
Yeah, oh my god, what the fuck are you guys doing? Dude, they just kicked me out the fucking game, dude. Please do not shoot. I was just with you, blue guy. Alright, guys.
Most likely. Probably gonna bleed out.
I found one. How do you do this? Oh, you just shove it up his ass? Hold on. So, what do you guys do?
I don't know if this is even gonna work, but we're gonna find out.
Shove it up his butt.
Yeah, man, I don't wanna die.
That was a forking. Huh. You asshole.